friends, I am Raja Chauhan from Laksh International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.1 on the basis of the concept those we studied in previous video. So let's start with our first question. Question number 1. Arrange the following in ascending order. First 799,812, 979,812, 997,812, 989,712. Okay, so these are the numbers, 4 numbers are there. We have to arrange these in ascending order. What is ascending order? Means we have to arrange smaller number to largest number. So solution are, all the numbers have 6 digit, so we will compare the digit at lakhs place. Lakhs place digit, we will compare the lakhs place digit. So on lakh place there are 2 digits, 7 and 9. The first number will be 799,812 because this is the smallest number as compared to others. 3 digits have same number at lakh place, so we will compare the number at 10,000 place. Now we will check the number at 10,000 place. So the numbers are 7, 8, 9. So our ascending order series is 979,812 is less than 989,712 less than 997,812. So this is the required ascending order. Now like the same manner you have to solve second and third question. Question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means from larger number to smaller number. Means first we have to write the largest number, then we have to put the greater than sign, and then the lowest number. So let's check out the first question. 725,962, 996,522, 976,252, 967,522, 956,722. Now these are the 5 numbers we have to arrange in descending order. So first we will check the largest number. So here the largest number is the third number, which is 9,76,252. Okay, so next 9,67,522, then 9,56,722, and then 7,25,962, and then 7,24,5,962. Now in the same manner you have to solve second and third question. Question number 3. Make the largest and the smallest 5 digit number with the given digits. Now you have to make 5 digits, smallest number and largest number. Now these are the numbers 7, 4, 6, 8 and the largest number we have to arrange digits from largest to smallest. So the largest number is 8, 7, 6, 4, 2. Now to make the smallest number we have to arrange digits from smallest to largest. Smallest number 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now in the same manner you have to solve second and third. Now one more thing, don't use 0 on the first place because we can't use the 0 at first place. You can use the 0 at second place while writing the smallest number. Now question number 4. Make the largest 5 digit number by repeating one number of the given digit. Now you have to make 5 digit number, largest 5 digit number. Now the first question 7, 4, 5 and 8. To make the largest 5 digit number we will repeat the greatest number, that is 8. So the largest number is 88754. Now in the same manner these two. Question number 5. Make the smallest 5 digit number by repeating one of the given digit. Now you have to make the smallest 5-digit number. So the given numbers are 6, 2, 1 and 7. So to make the smallest 5-digit number, we will repeat the smallest digit. Smallest 5-digit number is 11267. Now you have to solve these two questions. Question number 6. Write the largest 4-digit number using two different digits. You have to write 4 largest number. So using two different digit, we will use two largest digit that are 8 and 9. We will repeat both the number. Now largest 4-digit numbers are 9, 9, 9 and 8. Only one digit. Now only one digit we will use 9999. Now question number 7. Write the smallest digit using first all different digit. Now you have to write all different digit smallest number. So we can use 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 different digits. So the digits will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, we have considered the 3 different digits which are smaller. So the required smallest 5-digit number is 10002. Question number 8. Write the largest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number and find the difference. Solution. The largest 6-digit number will be 9,99,999. The largest 5-digit number will be 99,999. Now if you have to find the difference to so the required will be 1 lakh. Question number 9. Write the smallest 6-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number and find their sum. Now here in the same manner you have to add the smallest digit number and smallest 5-digit number. The answer will be 1,10,000. Question number 10. Multiply smallest 4-digit number by the 3-digit. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and smallest 3-digit number will be 100. So to multiply the answer and then you will get the answer. Now question number 11. Divide the smallest 5-digit number by the smallest 2-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. Now you have to divide 10,000 by 10. So the answer is 1000. Now in the same manner, 12. Add the differences of the smallest 4-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number to the largest 2nd-digit number. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and smallest 3-digit number is 100 and largest 2-digit number is 99. Now first what we have to do? We have to find the difference of smallest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. So 1000 minus 100 equals to 900. Now you have to sum of the largest 2-digit number and the different smallest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number will be 99 plus 900. The answer will be 999. Okay, now our next concept is place value and the numeration system. So numeration system, there are two types of numeration system which are Indian system and international system. So in both the system there are major differences, which are in the Indian system the first comma is put after 100 place, then the comma come after second more place and again after 2 more place. And in international system the commas are put regular intervals of 3 places. ओके, मीन्स इंडियन सिस्टम में क्या होता है, जो फर्स्ट कोमा हम लगाते हैं वो 3-digit नंबर के बाद लगाते हैं, टू डिजिट के पहले एंड अगेन टू डिजिट. नाउ इन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम regularly we will use comma after 3 digit. Now we will do the exercise number 1.2. Question number 1, write the following number with appropriate commas. So our question is 20,86,456. Okay, so first of all we will write 20,86,456. Now in the Indian system we have to make the comma before 3 numbers. So between 6 and 4 there will be comma, and then 2 means 20,86,456. In manner you have to solve these questions. Okay, let's take example number 10. 99,652,059. So here it is international system. So in international system we will use the commas after 3 numbers. So 99,652,059. Now question number 2, write the following numbers in words in both the Indian and international number system. So our first question is 743891658. Now Indian system, right? First of all you have to make the commas. Okay, suppose here the comma will be after 1, and here between 8 and 9, and here between 4 and 3. Okay, so according to that you have to read. So 74 crore 38 lakh 91,658 you have to write in the word. Now in international system you have to put commas after 3 numbers. So here the comma will be between 1 and 6, and then between 3 and 8 here. Okay, so how you can read this? 743,891,658. Okay, in the same manner you have to solve these questions. Okay, let's take one sixth question example. 3980,39800. In Indian system we will make the commas between 9 and 8, and 0 and 3, and between 9 and 8. So how we can read? 39 crore 80 lakh 39,800. Okay, and in international system when we put the commas it will be between 9 and 8, and then between 8 and 0. Now we can read these 398,039,800. Okay, so this will be our answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve this. Okay, now question number 3, fill in the blanks. So first filling the blanks is 1 crore equal to how many lakhs? So 1 crore equals to 100 lakhs. Now 1 million equals to 10 lakhs, and 10 million equals to 1 crore, and 100 millions equal to 1000 lakh. So from where this answer will came? They came from the chart which I already included in this video. You have to read this one. This is your homework. You have to read this table very carefully. Okay, from here our 1.2 exercise is completed. Now on the next video we will take another concept. Thank you and have a nice day.